black. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is another day and I have a package that I want to unbox with you guys. I have, in short, I ordered a lot of things and I got a box, a whole large box, like a whole big box. And today I'm going to be on unboxing with a popular brand which almost everybody's unboxing. I've joined the Shin gowns. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. I don't know if I'm going to put it on. No, I don't think I'm going to put it on. I'm just going to be showing you on the screen what it looks like on the model, and I think just that's all. That's what I'm going to do because I don't know. I don't have strength for that. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, notification button, and everything nice beneath. All right. Okay, so let us do the unboxing. It's a big box. Like this is the largest I've gotten so far. Like all my shopping and online shopping. Usually, most times I shop from eBay. I don't know. I think eBay has a faster delivery option. I think they deliver faster. Like within 2 days, once you order and pay for your item, they deliver it within like 2 days, 3 days, and it gets to you. But I think Shein takes longer. They maybe maximum 1 week. Yeah, it gets to you. So I think I prefer shopping from eBay. But let's see how the Shein things or Shein items. Let's see how it is. Okay, so that I don't get what I ordered versus what I got. Okay, let us see it. I've not opened it. I want to open it with you guys. So let's go. So guys, this is the box. It's a big box. Like, yeah, it's not really heavy. It's not really heavy. But let's see what's inside. I need to turn it this way. Okay, so I think this should go down a bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think that is it. So actually, like I said before, I like shopping from eBay because their delivery is faster than any other shopping platform I've tried. I think I've tried I think eBay and who again? Shein, yeah. I've tried Shein before. Yeah, but I didn't do an unboxing. So this is not like my first time shopping from Shein. This is like my second time shopping from Shein. I think I was impressed um with the first items I got. So that's why I decided to shop again. So let's see how this one goes too. Let's see how it goes. My husband is tired of me because every time they are knocking on the door and it's delivery, delivery. My husband is like, I'll soon buy the whole UK. But honestly, I don't have clothes. I didn't come with clothes. I didn't come with dresses. I didn't come with shoes. I practically didn't come with anything. So I just knew that once I come here and I start earning money, I'll start buying stuffs like the things I need. I'm even still yet to buy some things because there are things in my cart. So I'm just waiting till the right time, then I order and let's see how it goes. So this is, oh my god, this looks like what I saw in the picture. Look at this is Crocs. It's size 44, 45. I had to take the biggest size because I don't know, because I think Shein is from China. I think so. And you know, Chinese people, how small their things can be. So I decided to like take the big size. I don't want to have an issue and start thinking of how to return. I don't have that energy safe to start saying I want to. I'll just give it to someone else. If it's not my size, I'll give it out. I can't start stressing myself to start saying I want to return. No way. So I don't know. This is supposed to be a zipper. I don't know what's wrong. I don't want to use this bag because I think I'll use it again. Oh my god. It's not looking like it's too big, but me and my husband can share it now. Anyhow, look at it here. I bought it because of the four. Can you see that? The four inside. It's going to keep me warm. I can use this to go to work. That's why I got it. I have Crocs. I got from Nigeria, but I got this particular one because I saw that it has this four inside. So I can wear it without the socks and my thermal leggings and I go to work. Yeah, that's going to be very nice. Look at it. I hope it's the right leg. But oh my god, this is exactly as it is in the picture. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Hey god, it's so pretty, so nice. Oh my god. So let's see the next one. The next one is okay. I think it's crop tops. Yeah. Yeah, for the summer. So that is it. Crop tops. I think I got different colors. I got the ash, the brown, and the black. Yeah, so this is what all of them look like in different colors. So that's it. Nice. And I got it in extra large. Yeah, because I'm big. I don't want to hear it did not enter me. So this is another one. But I love Sheen. I like this their package. Like I cannot throw this nylon. I will not throw this nylon. I will use it for another thing. I'm this kind of person. I like recycling. This is uh leggings. I don't have leggings. I think I came into this country with just two leggings, and I'm a fan of leggings. The other one I got was, I think it was Temal. I've gotten Temal socks, but I think I got that one from eBay. So this is just a regular leggings. It's not like it's Temal. It's just a regular leggings, but I think I'm okay with it because I need leggings. I need it. So this is another one. But what is this? Green color. Green in color. Okay, I think I know what this is. Okay, this is a gown. Yes. Like, oh my god. I think I should put the picture just up there and so that you guys can see it. I think this thing should go up a bit. Yeah, I think that's better. So look at it here. That's it. It's like a mono strap and a gown, a short gown or mid-length gown. Yeah. Oh my god. So nice. I don't even know why I got it because the weather is still cold right now. I think I reserved that for summer. So this is, I got these things like I got it. I don't know. Was it when I got it? I just left it in my storeroom for a while because I was just that tired. I just didn't have energy. So I think I've kind of forgotten what I got. I can't remember. I'll still have to go back to my list or my cart to see if it's actually everything they brought. Okay, this is socks, like a thermal socks. Yeah, yeah, like a thermal socks. I got them. It came in 4 pairs. I got this because I think me and my husband tutu. We share it tutu. Yeah, this color. Yes. Yeah. So yeah, I think this would be for me or this for my husband. So that's it. I think it's thermal socks. Very nice and warm. Yeah, not bad. I don't want a socks that is too thick so that I can be able to wear my shoe. Because if my socks is too thick, I won't be able to wear my shoe. So let me see how it goes. Oh, this is what? I don't know what this is. Okay, yeah, this is like these small tiny socks that you can wear anytime with your trainers and all that. Yeah, so it came in a pack. I actually got it because they were selling it. It was very cheap and it came in it's 10 in a pack. Yeah, so it's like 10 in a pack. Those tiny socks you can wear. It looks very tiny, but it can stretch and it's very small. Don't worry, I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So it just came in black and white. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's see this one. What's in here? I don't know what this is. Okay. What's this? Okay, this is a jumpsuit. Like, oh, I love this jumpsuit. It has this opening at the back, and it's like a fitted jumpsuit. Oh, this cat was safe. Go away from here. The box is just, yeah. So that is it. I think I should be putting it on the screen because you guys will not really see it the way I'm raising it up. So yeah. Now wow, this is never finished. Okay, I think I should finish it that way. So this is another one. Yeah, let's take picture for the thumbnail. Yay! Okay, so this is like one the best out of everything I got. This is what I wanted to like. This is like a gown. Is it a short midi gown? I'm going to be wearing it with like a long host or is it a long thermal leggings. Yeah, that goes down to my feet. And oh god, this is very soft and nice. Very soft and nice. So yeah, that's it. It's nice. I can't wait to rock it. It's just that my job won't let me shine. My job will not just let me shine. It's really taking a lot of my time. I think I need to, I don't know, slow down a bit and take, I think I'm supposed to take holiday or something by next month, which I will sharply take. So this is like a bra lift, a breast lift rather. Look at it here. I've always wanted to have this. Um, but I was very skeptical buying it because I'm very busty. And when I saw this, I saw the size, the description and everything, and I just used my tape because I have a tape here to measure and see if it will size me. So I did it and I ordered, and let's see how it goes. I can't test it here obviously, but I'm just going to put this on the screen so you can know what I'm talking about. So this is like a breast lift. Let me bring it out so you guys can see it properly. I actually thought it was just two. Oh, it's actually four. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's two pairs. Yeah, okay, that's nice. So that is it. It's like maybe you want to wear this, I don't know, like that jumpsuit I just showed you that has the opening at the back. You can just use this instead of wearing a bra. You can use this. It has this. Yeah. Can you see that? So that's it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah. So I got it in two colors, black and yeah, that's it. And if this is extra large, right? Extra large. Yeah, because I'm busty. Very busty. I'm busty. It's not like I'm busty, but I'm busty. That's what I'm saying. I don't have small bust. I have big one. So let's see. I still have I think one more item in the box. I think that's it. Okay. So this is a footwear. Like I said, I don't have footwears. I don't have. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so nice. It is so beautiful. You need to see it. It's very beautiful. My god. This is like the best I've gotten so far. Like I was thinking that sweater was ah ah see now. Oh my god. Hey, where will I rock this thing? So that my job will not let me do. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Can you see that? Look at it. Let me bring it out. See it. Can you see that? See the oh my god, this is so nice. It's so sleek. I can't wait to just rock this shoe. And it's my size. Yes, I think I know the size I'll be ordering on this platform now. I think I now know my size. So I'll be getting a lot of shoes soon because I don't have the one I got, the trainers, one of the trainers I got from Nigeria started peeling. I don't know. But that trainer self has tried self. It's been serving me in Nigeria. I didn't buy any trainers while coming to the UK. I didn't buy anything. Any footwear I didn't buy. But I got for my kids, but I didn't buy for myself. Yeah. Okay. But now I think this is nice. This is so lovely. What do you think about it? It's this size what? 44? I picked a size 44. I don't know, so the size 44 seems to be big. Oh. I should have picked size 40. Oh my god. Seems big, but I think it's a slim fit. So it should fit me because I don't know. I have a wide fit at the end, but this is like slim. But I think it should suit me. This is so nice, so nice, so nice. Let's take another thumbnail. Let's take another thumbnail shot. So that's it. That's all I ordered from Shein, and it's empty. It's empty. So you guys, right now, I think I need to go and cook because I'm so tired. I've been so tired. Too many things to do, and my job takes a lot of my time. And I think I'll be slowing down a bit. Let's see how it goes. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here when I'm here. And I'll see you guys in my next clip. Okay. Bye. Okay. That's it. Nice.